Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Nintendo Switch Pro controller to PC instant fix step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Nintendo Switch Pro controller is fully charged. Next, connect your PC to a stable internet connection. Turn on your Nintendo Switch Pro controller by pressing the home button. Now, locate the sync button on the controller, which is situated near the top. Press and hold the sync button until the indicator lights start to flash. On your PC, navigate to the Bluetooth and other devices settings. Click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Select Bluetooth from the list of options. Your computer will now start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Once the Pro controller appears in the list, click on it to connect. Wait a moment while your PC establishes the connection. Once connected, the controller's indicator lights will stop flashing and remain lit. To ensure functionality, launch a game or software that supports controllers. You can also check if the controller is recognized by navigating to the Devices section. If the controller does not connect, try restarting both the PC and the controller. Another option is to use a USB-C cable to connect the controller directly to your PC. Simply plug one end of the cable into the controller and the other into an available USB port on your PC. After connecting via USB, your PC should recognize the controller automatically. You're now ready to enjoy gaming with your Nintendo Switch Pro controller on your PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.